Christmas is a little more than a week away, and as family and friends gather, doctors warn the Omicron variant could be your unwanted guest. Good evening, I'm Jesse Pagan, in for Marcella Lee.
I'm Carlo Cicchetto. San Diego County health officials say while the Delta variant remains dominant in our area, there are 4 more local cases of the Omicron variant, bringing our local total to 6.
As News 8's Kirsten Holmes found out, doctors say the Omicron could soon be our dominant variant.
I'm here at UC San Diego Health Hillcrest, a testing site where if you take a look behind me, you can see people are pulling up to get tested. We've been here for just a few minutes, and we've already seen a steady stream of cars pulling in to go ahead and take those tests. And doctors say this could be the first stop for finding out how prevalent the Omicron variant is in our area.
2 weeks ago, we had the first community-acquired case of Omicron. So that means that we're going to start seeing it spreading across the county and across the country.
Argentina Servin is an assistant professor of infectious diseases and public health at UC San Diego. She says the best way to get and stay protected is by doing something you've probably heard before, getting vaccinated and wearing a mask, even though that may not stop you from getting sick.
It spreads faster, but it seems to be less aggressive. Again, that does not mean that you don't need to get your vaccine. The individuals in which we've seen these cases are fully vaccinated. The cases that were detected here locally did not require hospitalization or were actually asymptomatic or had mild symptoms.
With California's new mask mandate in effect for all public buildings, including shopping centers, restaurants, and even your job again this year, and now a rise in the new Omicron variant in our area, some San Diegans are getting frustrated.
Come on, how long am I going to do this? 2 years, 3 years, 10?
While others agree getting vaccinated and wearing that mask is the best way to protect yourself and others.
I can avoid colds, I can avoid flu, and the big bad guy, you know, the COVID.
And I'm just ready for all this to be done, just to be honest with you.
Servin also says since San Diego County's vaccination rate is nearly 90%, Omicron cases in our area may go undetected. She says this applies to folks with little to no symptoms and those who recently traveled for the holiday.
When in doubt, get tested.
And she says, wear your mask.
For this time, we have to maybe not be as selfish and think of others and kind of try to follow this so we can get through this.
Servin also says that we are lucky to be in a place where we have this kind of access to testing facilities and vaccination sites because there is a global vaccine inequality. Kirsten Holmes, News 8.